In this video, I'm breaking down how you can repair and restore old concrete surfaces yourself without shelling out a ton of cash or calling in the pros right away. Concrete can get all cracked, chipped, or just plain ugly over time, but with a few simple tools and some elbow grease, you can bring it back to life and make it look solid again. Whether you have a cracked patio, a worn-out driveway, or a busted-up walkway, these DIY concrete repair tips will help you fix it up like a champ. First off, you gotta clean the surface thoroughly. Sweep up all the dirt, dust, and loose pieces so that whatever you apply sticks well. Then, grab a concrete patch or mix your own with some cement and sand. It's way cheaper and works just as good when mixed right. When filling cracks, make sure to widen them slightly with a chisel so the patch material gets in deep and holds tight. Don't rush your mixing. Add water slowly until you get a smooth, peanut butter-like consistency. Too watery and it won't set properly. Apply the patch with a trowel, pressing firmly to fill every nook and cranny, then smooth it out so it blends with the surrounding surface. For bigger damaged areas, think about layering your patches in thin coats instead of dumping it all at once. That way it dries strong and doesn't shrink or crack again. After applying, keep the patched area moist by misting it with water for a few days. This helps the concrete cure properly and prevents it from drying too fast and crumbling. Finally, once everything's dry, seal the surface with a concrete sealer to protect your hard work from future weather damage, stains, and wear. One of the biggest slip-ups I see with DIY concrete repair is not cleaning the surface enough before starting. If dirt or debris is left behind, patches just won't stick well and fail fast. Another common mistake is mixing the patch material incorrectly by adding too much water or not enough. This messes with the strength and causes cracks later on. The third issue is rushing through drying times. People often walk on or use the surface before it's fully cured, which leads to weak spots and more damage down the line. Fix these by prepping well up front, following mixing instructions closely, and giving your repair plenty of time to set before heavy use. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it hooks homeowners like you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when DIY isn't enough or for bigger jobs. For contractors, it's an easy way to find new clients who need concrete repairs or other home improvement projects done right without all the hassle of hunting for work themselves.